Ladies and gentlemen, once again, we celebrate Professor Emmanuel Ohene Afuakwa, Laureate of Distinction, Natural Sciences.
Let's celebrate our Mamponhemaa. We're so proud of you as we celebrate the impactful leadership as President of the Asanteman Queen Mothers Association.
One-on-one. And then Yanka, Betahaya, in Yammy Damna Senamia, I am from the door. As if it Damna Senamia, I am down on my spirit. Opportunity, goodness and mercy, they are following. I feel my favorite on the other side. Papa Yes, now I want to see you. Yeah, there are kuma so na me nyama na wo ye e shira so ya asase so yina eja yes na what okay so we fit yes ya and it's my work na yeah ani o shako o disu o teatro la cada o shako yeah say ya tana me wa Otumfuo
Abusua for said de to monim no afei na Santimera Otumfuo oseitu otosomi no de otu kurie ne okrare ne brare ngoma so oba na waba beje na dwa wo de kotoko edemu a asechire no eyetiawa abo kotoko eye abo a ne huohuo na sabia kusabia kroto wada ne ba bi na se wa meka no a enya de ane mete no no obetuo Nyansapo ena wasugusu a butia osa ehwe no haya enye aseto abra ewa ha Krobia yefi ampasa chikotoko hene no Otumfuo no oprekese jana do fiti kotia na no bo afefie mu wate se aboa korwe bresa ma wotu ane nsam mojamum aboa bi se wasen na wasen no ne ntakra hunu keke Probia no Asante Mera. Was simpitim prim. I need more in it, and no one and away in it. Yao Henny Waba na Wabajina Kunya.
Our great King is leading our people to development. Today, we are celebrating the big stories of how this great leadership has led the people to contribute their respective quota to ensure that our beautiful nation Ghana continues to run and continues to admire and continues to occupy its place in the world and in the big mix of the world's big picture. This afternoon, it gives me the greatest pleasure to welcome here the man under whose wings we have all been learning and looking forward to a special kind of leadership in this modern era. Tonight, he will be leading all of us to confer honors on these very well-developing individuals whose examples can be replicated in any part of the world. With a resounding round of applause, with much respect and love, shall we all acknowledge the presence of His Majesty, Otumfuo II, King of the Ashanti Kingdom, and the embodiment of Ashanti culture. We thank you for the wisdom that you have given him and the direction that you have given him, based on which he is inspiring all of us. Today, as we celebrate the positive aspect of our society, we pray, O God, that every single person who is exposed to this beautiful platform is also inspired to do the same, irrespective of where they find themselves in the world. This time, we wish to say to you that we are in your hands. And once we are in your hands, we know that we can smile at any storm that life throws at all of us. Eternal Father, we're grateful unto you for this great gathering, and we do know that all will go well because we have you in our boat. May your name be praised, and may this be smooth and a history-making moment because you are guiding us. We have prayed in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Because of his exploits over the years, some 25 years ago, he sat with a team who believed in his ideas and believed in making sure that every 5 years, we all gather together and celebrate the example makers of our society. Today, just like all of us, he's basking with great pride because we have arrived at a very important milestone. Many of you do identify him as Ambassador Ashim Morton, a man who was born of the great Dr. Titus Aruna Morton and his lovely wife, who is a daughter of the Ashanti Kingdom. But tonight, I'd like to present to you a set of young people who are blessed with the talent of song. They will be starting all of it for us this afternoon on a musical note. And of course, on that note, I would like to say once again, Your Majesty, Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, you're all very welcome once again to the Garden City of Ghana.
Thank you so much. What an honor to be here, Your Majesty. Well, let me just say that this is the power of nature. How beautiful is this? Let's put our hands together, and all this water energy shall bring us purity and fluidity and life. Water is life. So we receive this life, this waterfall, as a blessing. Isn't it? I am very, very happy to perform the second song with this wonderful Ghanaian band. Are you guys ready?
A woman of substance, a woman for all seasons, I call her. She's been chairing our board to great perfection. And this afternoon, she's chairing together with our life patron, Otumfuo II. And I'm happy to bring on stage a brilliant, outstanding, loving and affable personality. A woman who's actually seen it all and is guiding us through excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the CEO of FC, the one and only Grace Amy Abbeam. A round of applause for her, ladies and gentlemen.
Distinguished Excellencies, distinguished governors of the board, distinguished directors of the board, my colleague board members, honorable ministers present, the diplomatic corps, the traditional rulers, friends from the media, our lovely kids who performed earlier, you're all welcome to this evening's celebration. It is my great honor to welcome you to the 25th anniversary celebration of the Millennium Excellence Awards. Yes, we've made it 25 years. This is our silver jubilee. This evening, we are gathered here to recognize and honor the outstanding contributions of exceptional Ghanaians from various fields who have made a lasting impact on our nation and beyond. Over the past 25 years, the Millennium Excellence Awards have become a beacon of excellence, celebrating individuals who embody the values of innovation, leadership, and dedication. This evening, we celebrate the achievement of those who have demonstrated remarkable excellence in their respective fields, inspiring others to strive for greatness.
Broken barriers and achieved greatness, leaving an indelible mark on Ghana and beyond. This evening, we celebrate not only individual achievements, but also the collective progress and resilience of the Ghanaian spirit. Your dedication to excellence has elevated our nation and paved the way for future generations. I'd like to express my deepest congratulations and gratitude to our sponsors, partners, and guests for their support they have given us so far. Your presence underscores the importance of acknowledging the celebrating Ghanaian spirit. As we commemorate this milestone anniversary, we reaffirm our commitment to promoting excellence, innovation, and leadership in Ghana. Let us use this occasion to reflect on our achievements and look forward to a brighter future. May the stories of our awardees inspire us to strive for greatness, and may their legacy continue to shape the future of our children. Congratulations to our awardees, and thank you for being part of this momentous celebration. Let us come together to celebrate the excellence, talent, and dedication that define our nation. Akwaba, enjoy the evening, and thank you.
Help us welcome up on stage Governor Professor Fiaprehene and Anise Haffa to present our first prizes. Biomedical Finding Global Excellence category. A round of applause for them, please, as they join us up on stage. Also, a round of applause for Professor Ellis Owusu Dabo. Congratulations, sir. Professor Ellis Owusu Dabo, Biomedical Finding Global Excellence category. Our first laureate for our Biomedical Finding Global Excellence category tonight. While we take our pictures, a round of applause, please.
We're proud to celebrate your achievements with the West Africa Center for Cell Biology of Infectious Pathogens, through which you secured over $40 million in grants for research, training, and supporting the work of numerous African scientists. Once again, Professor Gordon Awandare, we salute you in this very special way here at the 25th Millennium Excellence Awards. At this time, I'd like us to celebrate the laureate of distinction in the category of Youth in Finance, and this prize will go to Curtis Vanderpoel, ladies and gentlemen. Promoting financial inclusion and introducing new technologies to improving security and reliability of financial transactions. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, a round of applause for Mr. Curtis Vanderpoel.
Congratulations are in order one more time. Curtis van der Poy, who has shown distinction and leadership in youth in finance. Laureate of distinction is in the category of natural sciences, and it goes to Professor Emmanuel Ohene Afwakwa. Shall we do a big round of applause as we celebrate his achievements? We're proud to celebrate your key contributions in the areas of cocoa and chocolate research, food science and nutrition, and innovative food processing techniques. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, we celebrate Professor Emmanuel Ohene Afwakwa. Laureate of Distinction, Natural Sciences.
Congratulations, sir. A round of applause for him one more time as he resumes his seat.
Our next laureate of distinction is in the category of youth in environment. And this goes to Eugene Amo Asamoah in waste to energy, recycling, and composting, sustainable waste management models, and community engagement and education. One more time, Eugene Amo Asamoah, the laureate of distinction in youth and environment.
Congratulations, sir. A round of applause for him one more time. It's so beautiful to see young people win and do extremely amazing things like this. Our next laureate of distinction would be in the category of Youth in Energy Excellence. And please, together, let's give a very big round of applause to Senor Hosi. A round of applause for him as he joins us.
A big round of applause for Senor Hosi.
Congratulations, sir. We're proud to celebrate you today for your exceptional leadership in championing petroleum price deregulation, low sulfur fuel policy, Energy Sector Levies Act, energy bonds, policy and regulatory interventions, and general industry leadership. A round of applause. Congratulations, Senor Hosi. Inspiring many young people in Ghana and indeed across the continent. Congratulations, sir. Ghana is proud of you. Our next laureate of distinction is in the category of Youth in Innovation and FinTech Excellence. And the prize goes to Mr. Ebenezer Ghani. A round of applause for him as he joins us up on stage. Well done, sir. We're proud to celebrate your innovative contributions to the growth and development of Ghana's FinTech sector, inspiring innovation and entrepreneurship in the industry. Well done, sir. Well done. A round of applause for the young man, please. He's done extremely well, and it's great to see that he's celebrated tonight. Well done. Ebenezer Ghani. Well done. Our next laureate of distinction is in the category of Sustainable Environment and Development Excellence. And this prize goes to Erastus Asari Donko. We can do a bigger one for Erastus for his many exploits in various fields and media. We celebrate your exceptional dedication to environmental issues through investigative journalism, awareness creation, and advocacy, sometimes putting your life at risk just to bring us the details of the things that we need to be concerned about, our environment. Thank you for your dedicated service. We celebrate you today, Erastus Asari Donko. Continue to inspire and show the way. A round of applause for him one more time.
And of course, now Shoko, in the lead up to rising to this great honor, ladies and gentlemen, this fine gentleman was also named GJA PAV Journalist of the Year for all of his exploits and the big impact that he's made in society. Erastus, this is a big honor, and this should even go to encourage you more. A big round of applause.
Well done. We'd like to say a very special thank you to Governor Professor Efuahese and Anis Hafa for the honor to present these awards so far. We're so grateful. You may resume your seats. Let us please, with a very big round of applause, welcome up on stage Governor Rita Dixon and Mike Thakwani. Our next batch of awards will go to...
Very well. Ladies and gentlemen, Governor Rita Dixon and Governor Mike Mukesh Thakwani will be helping us to pay respects to the following. And I'd like to begin with Youth in Leadership Excellence. Your Majesty, distinguished guests, ladies, gentlemen, good friends from all over the world, please help me with a big round of applause, a celebratory one of that, as we welcome here to the stage our winner, Afechi Awuno. Your leadership in the energy sector and your social development initiatives with the Afechi Awuno Foundation, as well as your philanthropic and entrepreneurial initiatives. We salute you symbolically on this very special day as we celebrate this very important milestone of the Millennium Excellence Awards. Afechi Awuno has also been elevated to higher national service in the energy sector. Congratulations to you once again, Afechi. We're proud of you. We're glad to announce 2 laureates of distinction who have made Ghana proud by excelling in their trade and exchange sector for economic growth. Please help me welcome our first recipient in the Trade Exchange Innovators category, and this prize goes to Interplast. His Excellency Haisam Fakri, the founder, is one who has distinguished himself and brought a whole team along with him. We're proud to celebrate these great achievements in manufacturing and export and using the state-of-the-art facilities to over 20 African countries. Your innovation, product development, and involving the evolution of that Everlast brand, as well as drip irrigation technologies and corporate social responsibility initiatives have been duly noticed by the Millennium Excellence Foundation. And today, we confer on you this special award in Trade Exchange Innovators. Congratulations to the whole team at Interplast. We're proud to celebrate your great accomplishments in supply chain integration, vertical integration, and innovation using state-of-the-art facilities to the economic development of Ghana and beyond. On this special day of the 25th anniversary of the Millennium Excellence Awards, we confer on you this very crucial honor of Trade Exchange Innovators. Congratulations to you one more time. Your Majesty, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, our next laureate of distinction is in the category of Health Innovation Excellence. Please help me with warm applause to welcome up here to the stage, Dr. Kofi Efa. Dr. Kofi Efa, we're proud to celebrate your novel approach to cervical cancer screening, HPV prevalence study, capacity building, task shifting advocacy, community engagement, and healthcare policy influencing. Your work has lasting impact on pragmatic solutions to healthcare delivery challenges in Ghana. Once again, we celebrate you greatly on this special day. Our governors will remain on the stage as we continue to confer honors. This time in the category of Technology Development Excellence. The prize goes to Bright Simmons. A consistent voice in policy analysis, we're proud to celebrate your natural genius for developing technological products that present practical solutions to social problems, especially in the health and agri sectors, including M-Pedigree, smart polymers, gold keys verification systems, and more. Your work has had a lasting impact on the healthcare delivery, agriculture, policy, and advocacy sectors in Ghana. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we shall now celebrate once again Bright Simmons. We're glad to announce our winners, and this will be in the Culture and Music Excellence category. The prize goes to a man who has promoted Ghanaian music worldwide over the decades. In his years heading towards the centenary celebration, he continues to inspire from his space. Your Majesty, with great respects, distinguished guests, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, please help me with a resounding round of applause as we celebrate Ejako Nimo.
He deserves a standing ovation if you can. Promoting Ghanaian culture and music across the world over the decades. And today we celebrate him. And he's the recipient tonight of the Award for Culture, Music, and Excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, Ejako Nimo. Congratulations to you, sir, and thank you for your extremely remarkable work over the years. Thank you, sir.
Now, Shako, the interesting thing about life is that before you were born, there was Ejako Nimo. You have gone through education and life. There was Ejako Nimo. You're standing here on this stage on this special day, and here is our beloved, legendary Ejako Nimo. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, one more time, shall we celebrate this legend of our time? He does deserve the honor.
Appiah, inspirational motivation and mind. We're proud to celebrate you today, sir, for your impact on youth and executive development, authentic leadership drive, community upliftment, and above all, your inspirational initiatives through the 50 Inspiring Living Leaders series and leadership development programs. Thank you, sir.
Now, Shoko, it's very important to also note that I traced my educational roots together with this fine gentleman to Richard School many years ago. And even at that stage, at the basic stage, he started showing excellence. On one particular speech and prize giving day, he had to stand in the middle because anytime he tried to walk back to his seat, they called him back to receive a prize. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, Dr. Yao Pebi.
And the prize giving and receiving does not end, and it will not end anytime soon for you, sir. Continue to do the wonderful work you're doing. You're greatly appreciated. Of finance and capital market excellence. And this award goes to, and I'm very happy to announce this, a round of applause going to Patience Achianu. A round of applause for her as she joins us up on stage. We have a special video for her.
Meet Patience Achianu, Group CEO of Hollard Ghana, with over 30 years in finance and insurance.
I first met Patience in 2003 when I joined the finance department of Standard Chartered Bank. At the time, what struck me was a work ethic, a passion for finance, and a dedication to achieving results.
Under her leadership, Hollard launched Ghana's first virtual insurance assistant and innovative products for underserved markets.
Patience has been a visionary leader for us here at Hollard. Since she took over, we've experienced a real transformation.
She also formed strategic distribution partnerships with major banks and retailers. Patience made history as the first Ghanaian woman managing director of Barclays Bank Ghana, driving record profitability.
Patience Achianu is a phenomenal woman leader with a heart She's a woman who has the eyes to spot potential and to create the opportunity for people to grow and develop.
A chartered accountant with an MBA, she serves on multiple boards, mentors rising professionals, and attributes her success to faith, family, and community.
Congratulations, Madam Patience Achianu. Well done. We celebrate you today for your transformational leadership at Barclays Bank Ghana and Hollard Ghana Holdings. Your instrumental role in the adoption of international financial reporting standards at Standard Chartered Bank, at Barclays Bank Ghana, and the list goes on and on, has enhanced transparency and discipline in the banking sector in Ghana. And for that, we celebrate you. Thank you so much. Let's do it better for her. Congratulations. Congratulations.
And of course, the passion for her brand is always displayed anytime she appears in public in the color purple. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let us celebrate Mrs. Patience Achianu one more time.
Well done. Our next laureate of distinction is in the category of Youth in Innovation and Excellence. And the prize goes to, we've got 2 awardees in this category. A round of applause going out to Benjamin and Diana Naughty. Benjamin and Diana Naughty. We celebrate you today for your prowess in development of AI-powered robots, promoting STEM education, creating innovations for healthcare, and contributing to advancements in AI. Your enviable achievements demonstrate a commitment to harnessing technology to drive social impact, improve education, and advance innovation in Ghana and beyond. Congratulations and well done. Benjamin and Diana. Benjamin and Diana Naughty. Laureates in distinction in Youth in Innovation and IT Excellence. In Ghana, especially the women, through innovative solutions and technology adoption. Thank you, sir. Thank you, and continue to inspire. Continue to inspire. Evans John Labi.
Congratulations to you, Evans John Labi, and this is to give even bigger fuel to continue to do more in your chosen field. Congratulations.
Our next laureate of distinction is in a very important category also, for the foundation that he set up. This category is Climate Change Development Excellence, and the prize goes to Dr. Samuel Doche. A round of applause for him as he joins us on stage. Dr. Samuel Doche. We're so proud today as we celebrate your advocacy for biodiversity conservation, capacity building for climate change action, climate finance mobilization, policy influence and research, and more. Your effort in the above reinforces your commitment to addressing climate change and promoting sustainable development in Ghana and beyond. Thank you, sir. Dr. Samuel Doche. Our laureate of excellence in climate change development. Climate change development excellence. A round of applause one more time for Dr. Samuel Doche. Well done and thank you, sir. Our next laureate of excellence is in the category of pharmaceutical excellence. And this prize goes to celebrated Dr. Samuel Tobin. Dr. Samuel Tobin, we celebrate you today, sir, for all the giant steps that you have taken in the pharmaceutical industry, especially in West Africa, expanding your operations, increasing your product portfolio, and promoting health awareness in communities. Your accomplishments demonstrate Tobinco's dedication to delivering high-quality healthcare solutions in Ghana and beyond. Indeed, you're celebrated across West Africa and the rest of the world. Thank you for Tobinco and all the good work you're doing in healthcare delivery.
Amazing, amazing indeed. Dr. Samuel Amotobin, congratulations to you one more time. And he celebrated his 60th birthday not too long ago. This show is one of the best ways. Yes. Congratulations to you, sir.
It's a perfect birthday present. Our next laureate of distinction is in the category of mathematics and science. And the prize goes to Emeritus Professor Clifford Niboy Tego. A round of applause, please. As the professor joins us on stage, we're proud to celebrate your transformational leadership as the Vice Chancellor of the University of Ghana. Your advocacy of promoting STEM education and community engagement aimed at promoting selfless leaders is well celebrated today. Your work has contributed immensely to the broader academic landscape, including mathematics and science.
We congratulate you, sir, and we salute you greatly for the impact you have made in society through your chosen field. Professor Clifford Niboy Tego, past Vice Chancellor of the University of Ghana. And now with great pleasure, I welcome here our Chair of the Advisory Board, Dr. Ernest Ofori-Sapong, ably supported by Kobe Asma. Shall we welcome them with a big round of applause? Accomplishments demonstrate your commitment to excellence in the distribution of petroleum products in Ghana and beyond. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Mr. J.K. Hockney. We duly welcome the team from Ghana Nuts Company on stage, and we're proud to celebrate your leading role in the export of shea butter, soybean oil, poultry master, and all of these bring in substantial foreign exchange to support Ghana's economy. Your admirable track record has a lasting impact on export and foreign earnings and contributed significantly to Ghana's economic development. One more time. In the Agri-Business of the Decade category. And this goes to Yara Ghana. We're proud to celebrate your remarkable performance in the last decade, including, but not limited to, market leadership, crop nutrition solutions, research and development, farmer support, partnerships, CSR, sustainable agriculture, and capacity building. Yara Ghana. In this peace category, we wish to honor very symbolically Dr. Emmanuel Bombande. And policy engagement have been profound in contributing to the peaceful coexistence across the West African sub-region. So once again, Dr. Emmanuel Bombande, we say congratulations to you. The Millennium Excellence Foundation is proud of you. His Majesty the King is also proud of you. Congratulations one more time. Our next laureate of distinction is one in the Manufacturing Excellence category. And this prize will go to Twillium Industries Limited. We're proud to celebrate the major expansion drive of your state-of-the-art production facilities and vibrant product portfolio, creating significant economic benefit for Ghana. The extension of your production lines to Kumasi making your products more accessible to a greater section of Ghanaians, also testifies your commitment to investing in the economy of Ghana and responding to unique customer needs across the country. Ladies and gentlemen, we celebrate the producers of Verna Mineral Water. Millennium Industries, congratulations to you. And of course, they've introduced the new product, Rosa, which we've already started enjoying on this fine weekend of celebration. Congratulations once again to Millennium Industries Limited. Establishment of the Focus Orthopedic Hospital, which provides state-of-the-art orthopedic care, and your innovative surgery techniques, capacity building and training, medical missions and community outreach, as well as research and publications have not gone unnoticed. Your work in orthopedic care is of profound blessing to Ghana and beyond. Once again, we celebrate you greatly, Dr. Ohiniba Wachi Ejei. Shall we do a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, as we celebrate this great son of the soil. Your economic contributions to the automotive industry, job creation, employment, and the financial sector development, philanthropic initiatives in education and youth development, healthcare and emergency response, as well as leadership and advisory roles, and that of the Senior Advisor for Africa at the Global Entrepreneurship Summit are all contributory factors for our seeing it necessary to confer this honor on you today. Congratulations to you one more time, Mr. Thomas Swanika.
For 5,000 Ghanaians, and for that we say well done. A round of applause one more time for Madam Janet Abobigu, Rural and Community Development Excellence. Employing over 300 Ghanaians, 80% of whom are female. Thank you for your drive, job creation, and women empowerment. Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations one more time to you, Janet Abobigu, for all the massive impact you're making in rural commitment, community, and development. Congratulations one more time.
Ladies and gentlemen, our next laureate of distinction is the Industrial Innovation Excellence category. And the prize, ladies and gentlemen, goes to Margins. As he joins us up on stage, we're proud to celebrate you, the intelligent card solutions that you have offered, including the national identification cards, our national ID cards, bank cards, and other secure documents. Your identity management systems for government agencies, financial institutions, and private organizations, your cybersecurity and anti-fraud solutions. The solutions are endless, and for that we say thank you. Thank you, sir, for your service and your innovation. To all of us greatly this evening. A very big round of applause, please, as we welcome up on stage Joanna Opare. Madam Joanna Opare, we are so proud to celebrate your advocacy against gender-based violence. Your women empowerment initiatives as board chair of the Women Initiatives for Self-Development, Climate Change Mitigation, and your gender advisory roles. We can go on and on. Thank you so much, Madam Joanna Opare, for the good and excellent work you have done and continue to do in women's advocacy in Ghana and beyond. Thank you so much. A round of applause for her, please, as she receives her prize.
Congratulations to you one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, some more applause.
Dr. Ruth Owusu Enchi. Dr. Ruth Owusu Enchi. We are so proud as we celebrate your advocacy against gender-based violence, your women's mental health initiatives, and the use of your leadership roles for psychosocial support and advocacy for women's health. Thank you.
Dr. Ruth Owusu Enchi, we congratulate you one more time. And of course, this is to give you inspiration to do even more within the space.
And Penyin Baden, please join us up on stage as we award our next batch of distinguished laureates of distinction.
And of course, this category is in Retail and Commerce Innovation Excellence. This prize goes to Mr. Andy Asamoah and ANC Shopping Mall. When no financial institution offered him help, he sold all his properties abroad, and after retiring with the World Health Organization, took the biggest risk in his life. Today, his legacy continues to inspire many entrepreneurs in the retail space. We're proud to celebrate your wisdom in starting off this journey, and of course, your innovation in retail and commerce through misuse development approach, which combines retail, offices, services, and restaurants. Once again, we congratulate you, Ambassador Andy Asamoah. Congratulations, sir. Your initiative and innovative marketing strategies, including online presence, digital marketing, and e-commerce integration, your product innovation and diversification, as well as your customer-centric approach to business. Congratulations to you once again. Charles Fiaprehene, founder and CEO of Appiah. Congratulations are in order. Charles Fiaprehene of Appiah. And this is where we say a big thank you to our governors, Thomas Bayfi and Penyin Baden. We're grateful to you. Thank you very much.
Our next laureate of distinction in the traditional leadership category, the prize goes to Nana Ejekuma Difia II, Mamponhemaa. Nana Ejekuma Difia II, Mamponhemaa. Let's celebrate our Mamponhemaa. We're so proud of you as we celebrate the impactful leadership as president of the Asanteman Queen Mothers Association. Your conflict resolution skills, women empowerment drive, community engagement, and public service has been exceptional. You have demonstrated excellence in traditional leadership through your tireless efforts at promoting peace, education, and women empowerment. One more time, please. A round of applause for next. We'd like to acknowledge our next laureates of distinction. But first, let's welcome up on stage Dr. Grace M.A. Obing and Ganson Yared to join us up on stage. A round of applause for them, please, as they join us up on stage as we celebrate our next category. This year, we had a tie. Yep, we had a tie. We have two dynamic business enterprises of distinction in the category of business excellence and engagement makes the KGL Group a leader in business excellence. And for that, we say thank you. A round of applause one more time for the KGL Group and Mr. Alex Appiah Dade.
Once again to you, Mr. Alex Appiah Dade. And now, Your Majesty, Your Excellencies here gathered, distinguished friends, good people of Ghana, good people from all over the world. it gives us great pleasure to celebrate one more indigenous Ghanaian business story. We'll view a special video.
The second business for the decade goes to Mr. Edmond Poku of Niche Cocoa. The producers of the best cocoa chocolates in Ghana, sold across the continent. We're proud to celebrate your business expansion and innovation drive through diversified product lines, new market ventures, and increased production capacity, sustainability and social responsibility through fair trade and organic practices, job creation, economic growth, and environmental considerations. Your enviable track record has had a lasting impact on the value chain of cocoa and the chocolate industry in Ghana. And for that, we say thank you, sir, and thank you for Niche Chocolates. A round of applause for Mr. Edmond Poku as he joins us up on stage. Congratulations, Mr. Edmond Poku of Niche Cocoa. And on his behalf, I would like to announce that we have chocolates for everyone. Is that correct? A round of applause for him, please. Exactly. And slowly but surely, we're drawing to the close of this part of this evening's program. As we go, we'll announce the second part of the program and how and who is invited to attend. But right now, I'd like to invite a very special woman. A woman whose dynamic, transformational leadership skills is celebrated across the continent. She's a woman with a big heart. A woman who has contributed to the uplifting of many citizens in Ghana and across boundaries. A woman who is for the people, she's God-fearing, and she's at the helm of the Millennium Excellence Awards. Ladies and gentlemen, with the very last energy for applause you have today, I'd like to invite all of us to give a thunderous round of applause to the chairperson of the Millennium Excellence Awards and Governor Grace Abbeam to give us the vote of thanks. Please, a very big round of applause for her as she joins us on stage. For all her work towards this event over the years, and all the work she's done for Ghanaians in Ghana and abroad, in her industry and beyond, and especially for inspiring many young women in Ghana and across the continent.
This story will be told to the rest of the world, and she is ably supported by a man married to a woman, and of course, an employer of many other women who are supporting his businesses. A member of the governing board, Dr. Ernest Ufori-Sapong, supporting her board chair to deliver our message of thanks.
Distinguished invited guests, fellow board members, ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the close of this remarkable Business Excellence Forum, it is my privilege to extend a heartfelt vote of thanks to all those who have made this event a resounding success. First and foremost, I would like to express our deepest gratitude to our esteemed speakers and panelists. Your insights and expertise have not only enlightened us, but has also inspired us to strive for greater heights in our respective fields. Your contributions have been invaluable, and we are truly grateful for your time and effort. A very special thank you to our sponsors and partners. Your general support has been instrumental in making this event a wonderful one. To the organizing committee and volunteers, your hard work and dedication behind the scenes have ensured the smooth execution of this event. Your meticulous planning and attention to detail have not gone unnoticed, and we thank you for your tireless efforts. We also want to congratulate all the recipients of today's awards for the excellent work that you've done and for being recognized by DEX Foundation. As we conclude, let us carry forward the knowledge and connections we have gained here. May we continue to strive for excellence and innovation in our
business and beyond. Congratulations to all those who receive awards this evening. And thank you all for coming. We wish you all the best for the rest of this evening. Thank you.
We know we've asked you to clap so many times this evening, and you have clapped each time. And for that, a round of applause for yourselves. Thank you. Your Majesty, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, would like to say a very special congratulations to all our award winners this evening. Congratulations for your excellence. Congratulations for pursuing and exuding excellence, for your achievements, and most importantly, for your service to humanity. We say thank you and continue to inspire the younger generation to reach for more and to be excellent while at it.
Na obade ya dom na wode nkwa eche ye ne a yetumi enimu asa de ahia edi nkomo bi.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, shall we all rise as we bid farewell to His Majesty, the King of the Ashanti Kingdom, Otumfuo Osei-Tutu II.
Preko enim sebe odwampopo bi esi kroni mu a wase wadore sra panyini won tena fie ema aseduamfo
blani pie frimantam bahin se pin enye nkwande wa na yesotro no wa
ansa na odi asebe fita na no makode ebrensi am wa otua ne nsem mojabumonim hu
duanani wie klaman wo ye sofo kra wo nye yie bi
tontonte ye no sa na ye fa
Nyansapo
abone ntaka na mane yakese na ntakra abone die fanyinam kwatere kwa
mada woro manto me ye fe ni din de sei ni din de obama
akola wa no so pese otrimu osuma ense bratam
se fanfam ne honhon hia na amerika sa
sabe ka ya twa ni mu nyame nai ebu afa so enye de ya twa ni mu twa nyame